Hello, my name's Claire, and I was introduced to Fiona from Loudspeaker and Changing Lives, and I was a bit nervous that I wouldn't get on the course, but I did, and I've thoroughly enjoyed it. When I looked at the exhibition upstairs, I was very intrigued how the artists saw it through their eyes, and because I'm an immigrant to this country as well, I felt that I fitted in and I had a good living here, but there was also something missing, and coming to this exhibition has filled in a load of gaps for me.
I really think that people should give this a go. I was the type of person that wanted to stay in the house, and I was so scared to come out. You know, I used to get jelly legs and mini panic attacks because, you know, why is the postman coming to my door? Why is he knocking on? He's only got a parcel for me. And I would have never dreamed in a million years that I would have been able to attend every session. But it's the people here, it's the group, it's great, I love it. It's a wide variety of activities to do. You learn stuff, you meet great people, and I feel a lot more confident and motivated in myself, a lot better in myself. So yeah, definitely come.
Meeting the women for the first time was scary. By the time the second and third week, I felt like we were family. By the time it got on towards the 7th, 8th week, I think we're going to move in with each other.
I would say to anyone that's watching this, go and do it and enjoy the experience so much. You'll love it.